Welcome to our baking guide where today we're diving into the heart of the South to discover the secrets behind making perfect Southern pies. From flaky crust to rich, sumptuous fillings, Southern pies are a celebrated staple of comfort food known across the United States. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a novice eager to try your hand at this delightful culinary art, this video will provide you with all the tips and tricks you need to create these delicious desserts. One of the most crucial elements of any pie, especially Southern pies, is the crust. A perfect crust should be flaky, tender, and cooked just right to complement the filling. Start by choosing the right fats, butter for flavor and shortening for texture. Make sure all your ingredients, particularly the fat and water, are ice cold before beginning. This prevents the fat from melting before baking, which is key to achieving that coveted flakiness. Additionally, avoid overworking the dough to keep the gluten levels low and the crust tender. When it comes to the fillings, Southern pies offer a delightful variety. Popular choices include pecan, peach, and key lime, each requiring a unique set of ingredients and preparation methods. For instance, for a classic pecan pie, you'll need pecans, corn syrup, eggs, and butter. Ensuring your ratios are correct is essential for the filling to set properly without being overly runny or too stiff. Stir your filling gently to keep the texture smooth and pour it into your unbaked pie shell for the best results. Baking your pie at the right temperature is crucial for a perfect result. Most pies bake well at 350 degrees Celsius, 175 degrees Celsius, but always adjust based on your oven and the specific pie you're making. Bake until the filling is nicely set and the crust is a golden brown. Don't forget the final touches. A beautiful glaze or a sprinkle of sugar can enhance the flavor and appearance of your pie. Let it cool completely before slicing to allow the filling to set perfectly, ensuring each slice is as good as the last. Congratulations! You're now equipped with the essential tips and tricks to bake perfect Southern pies right in your own kitchen. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different recipes and techniques. Share your delicious creations with friends and family, and keep the tradition of Southern pie baking alive and thriving. Thank you for watching, and happy baking!